Welcome to HD Folks. I would like to introduce our video wall product solution to you. As shown right now here, this is our video wall, the demo here, 2x2. And also we have control software here by using the PC. So like this demo, we have for the DID monitor, the size is 46 inches. And the bezel here is only 3.5 millimeter. So it looks very high-end. For our video wall products, we are featured with this all-in-one solution. So you have hardware and software we are embedded. So second is we can be very easy to use. So you can just use our computer to control it. So later I will show you. So we don't need any complicated manual switcher. So it's very easy for the user to use it. So right now I will show you some of our key features. So for example, right now first, we can support the moving, the rolling titles. For example, we support the welcome to HD Folks. So you can change by yourself, by using themselves.